Hello everyone, my name is Kavita Jadhav and I am going to explain attendance management system using face recognition. There are some existing attendance systems like barcode readers, fingerprint readers, and RFID system. Also, there is a computerized attendance system, iris-based, Bluetooth-based attendance management systems. So, what's the needs of our attendance management system using face recognition? Uh, why face recognition? So it is a non-contact process. It requires zero efforts from user. Also, it is a computer-based digital technology and compares face of persons with training images. So it is much more beneficial than the regular attendance management systems. It is a machine. It is a ML machine learning attendance system. uh, so, what is our proposed system? Automatic attendance management system is a user-friendly system, flexible and fully featured employee or student attendance management tool, which allows controlling employees' attendance or students' attendance in a college by automating timekeeping and attendance tracking. It also provides another feature like captures data from time and attendance terminals, and simultaneously it allows optional PC entry. So here it is a block diagram of our system that it has a database system stored on a cloud, and look at this. This is a at at the very first it will recognize the faces, and it will conduct the image processing activity and compares to the module, and then it compares with database and files up the attendance. Then later on it will mark your attendance, that is x person is present and y person is absent today, and it will also record the time and date at a time. Okay. What will happen in this system? The very first, the photo is taken. Later on, image is processed, and then it will compare it with training images in database. For comparison group, photo is divided into the single photos. System export the system exports attendance list into a Excel sheet. Okay, this is the flow chart of our proposed system. Uh, at initially it will start, and then it will take a snapshot. Later on it detects faces in the snapshot and then stores the detected faces in a uh, database. And then here we can see the um, condition, that is it will check a matching face in database. If it matches to the face in a database, then it will mark present, and all faces, then it will check the all faces are checked or not. Then this process will continue until all faces are checked. And if checking, if the matching of faces in database doesn't match, then it will mark absent, and later on the process will stop. There are five phases included in the system, that are face detection of image, face recognition of a single face, conversion of group photos to many single photos, um, recognition of all faces in a group photo, and export data to an Excel sheet. So in this way we are going to store the database in a Excel sheet. Okay. What is the phase one? Phase one is a face detection of images. It identifies the human faces in a digital image. Then the computer technology will identify it, and the special case of object class detection, and which is similar to the image detection. And here, Jones, and here Euler Jones algorithm is used. Not size The size is not limited here, and it is able to detect the faces from group images and detect images rapidly. So it is a one beneficial point here, that is it takes the pictures and detects it rapidly. Face detection. There are four phases, that is integral image, hair-like features, ADA boost, and cascading classifiers. So here we can see there is a group photo of some people. There are many faces, so it can correctly identifies the faces and recognizes. Phase 2. Phase 2 is the face recognition of single face. So it is a computer application capable of identifying and verifying a person from a digital image. So face recognition approaches, um, uh, that are analysis face in terms of local features, LFA method better, robustness against local variations. Here it uses a PCA method for face recognition. Okay, what are the principal components analysis means PCA? First one is it used in face recognition and image compression, and second one is used for finding patterns in data. Okay, what is the advantage of PCS? Simplest, it is simplest and used for data compression and face recognition. It operates at faster rate. Face recognition using PCA. Face is considered to be one of the most important visual objects for identification. Face recognition is an effective means of authenticating a person, highly efficient and used in security systems. Here we can see the PCA methods used in our attendance management system using face recognition, that that are it uses orthogonal transformations, reduces the data size, dimension reduces, it removes unwanted information, and it decomposes into principal components. The test image can be constructed using weighted sums of eigenfaces. Okay, the next slide is the PCA method. Okay. Images in training sets as a linear combination of weighted even eigenvectors. The system receives the input face and it is recognized from the training set. Test image weights are computed, distances are computed, and it's stimulated by MATLAB. Okay, what here is the algorithm used in our system, that is let D1, D2, DM up to DM be the training data set. The average is defined by average equal to 1 divided by M in bracket complete, and DI. Okay, this is the algorithm used in our system, and the covariance matrix is formed here. Okay, this is the algorithm formula, weight vectors for elements in a training data set. This is the formula here. Okay, face recognition of single faces. Here we can see the test image and the equivalent images. So it easily recognizes the face using machine learning. Okay, you can see the conversion of n group of photos in a single photo. In this image, we can see there are many people in a photo, and it correctly recognizes each of them, and this is the plus point of our system, that it recognizes the face easily and rapidly. It saves a lot of time, and it the phase 4. The phase 4 is recognition of all faces in a group photo. The system will automatically select the test images, find equivalent images for each images, and display it. Export data into Excel sheet. Uh, After recognition of faces, the data will be stored in an Excel sheet in the form of list. So here are three lists. That is, there are three columns in list, that is one is for name and one is for attendance, attendance, that is absent or present, and the third one will be for date and the fourth one will be for time. So the date and time will also be stored in our attend excel sheet. Here are the key features of our system, that the devices have different security levels, thus ensuring that only authorized person can detect transactions from them, and new enroll new employees or changes setting. Is a client It is a client or server system. It can be accessed also via internet. So this is the key features of our system. Also, it has a user-friendly interface. It supports unlimited number of users, policies, shifts, divisions, and departments, and other objects. It requires zero efforts from the user, and it is more secure and time efficient. So, okay, so let's move on to the advantages. Um, and okay, the attendance management system can improve the company's productivity by reducing the time for calculating work hours and wages, eliminating the mistakes made during the calculation, reducing time needed to verify the attendance data, and reducing time for making reports and sending them to the top management. Okay, here are the references that I took for the study, the overall study of automatic attendance system using face recognition um, under a domain of machine learning. So, thank you.